Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how you can generate a page from AI from GenSpark and use the given code to build a page for you inside HighLevel. So first things first, you're going to go inside your active funnel or website. You're going to build out a new page that you want to use. Like let's say build this out affiliate test. Then after you create it, you're going to click on this create from scratch, and once that's done, you're going to click on add element, scroll down till you find this code element. You're going to drag this and drop it right here. So once this is done, you're going to click on this code element, click on the open code editor, and once you have this open, you're going to go inside the GenSpark link and the code that GenSpark gave you. Like in our case, it gave us this code. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on this copy button, and once you have copied it, you're going to go inside the builder, and once you paste it, like for example, you're going to copy all of it, how I'm copying it, and starting on the section, you're going to copy it, and you're going to paste it. So you can see everything is all good, and you're going to click on save. Once it's saved, you're going to click on this custom preview custom code. As you click on it, you can see how it looks like. So as you can see, it's not yet, my margin pad is not correct. You're going to click on this section, allow it to take full width. As you can see, now it's on the full page. So yeah, and you can still see that there's empty space below. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the blue icon, go to styles, set the margin padding to 0, like this, get to the section, and do the same thing for this. As you can see, it's going up, up, and yeah. So let's say you don't like the color, or there's something that you don't like it in here. What you're going to do is you're going to basically go to GenSpark, type out it, and you can even share a screenshot. Like, let's say this thing looks out of place. Just copy it. I'm going to paste it right here. I'm going to give it the prompt like this section does not look good. Can we fix it and make it better? Or you can give it any other prompt that further is going to make it fixed. Once you do that, it's going to give you a new code that you can copy. And once copied, you can click on the same thing, go to open code editor, and paste it right again. And once you paste it, you can save it and click on save. Preview the page with how it looks on the live version. If I preview it, it looks like this, as you can see. So yeah, if you need any more changes, you can ask GenSpark and it's going to be the recommended changes for you.